Hi guys, this is Obi Kitchen. You're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a delicious snack with oats. If you have some oats at home, come closer. Let me show you what to do with it. Here I have some oats. I'll be measuring out 1.25 cups of oats into a small bowl. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, like and share. I'll transfer the oats into a bigger bowl. This bowl, I will use it for mixing. So in the bowl, I will add some water, 2 cups of water into the bowl. Half teaspoon of salt. I'll use my spatula and stir. I'll mix very well. Then I'll go ahead and use a cling film to wrap and cover it. I will wrap it up to soak for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, we'll come back to check how soft it is. Now let's check if it is fully soaked. It's soft enough. I don't want it to over soak, so this is soft enough for the recipe. So I'll use my whisk to give it a stir. I will stir very well to soften it a little more. I'll give it a thorough stir to incorporate little air into it. You can see the way I'm whisking it to incorporate some air into it. So after doing this, I will add some eggs to it, to the mixture. This is okay. This consistency is okay. This is the consistency I want for this. Yes, this is okay. It's fine now. So I'll go ahead and add some eggs, 2 medium-sized eggs into the mixture. And I'll mix again. I'll mix it together very well. Time to cook. I get some vegetable oil and oil a pan. Put on fire on a medium heat. So as I oil, after oiling, I will spread the mixture on the pan. Thin spread, very thin, not too thick. When you spread thick, it will not cook fast. So I'll spread a very thin layer on the pan so it can cook fast. Each side will cook for 5 minutes. After spreading, I have some flax seeds here. I'll go ahead and sprinkle some flax seeds on it while it cooks. can see I'm shaking the pan. When it's loose on the pan, when it shakes freely, you know that that side is cooked. I will just flip to the other side and let the other side cook too. This side is loose also, so it is cooked. I get it off the heat. You can see how beautiful it looks. It's cooked now. Let's prepare the filling. I have some butter. I'll rub some butter on the pan. I'll use this butter to toast the sausages. The sausages I will use for the filling. So I have 2 sausages here. I'm going to toast them on fire on a low heat, so it can cook gradually. So as it cooks, I keep turning the sausages. When you're doing this, don't go far away from your kitchen so it won't burn. So you just keep turning. I will keep turning so it will cook evenly. And when I notice cracks on the sausages, I know my sausage is cooked. You can see some cracks. It's cooked. I'll get them off the heat. So now let's prepare our filling. I have some shredded cabbage here. I'll add some mayonnaise into the cabbage in a bowl and mix. Give it a mix. I have my spread here ready. Add the cabbage and the sausage. Then I will add some slices, cucumber slices on them for my oat wrap. Remember, this is oat wrap. You can use anything for your filling. You can use meat, beef, chicken, fish for your filling, and any vegetable of your choice. Then gently we wrap. Gently and carefully you roll. Roll as you wrap. Beautiful. Our oat wrap is ready. So I will go ahead and cut into 2 equal parts. I will show you how it looks. This is very delicious. This snack is very delicious. You can see how beautiful and gorgeous it looks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next video.